Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So will be looking for a Max Olympiad question now. The question is given that x, y, and z are real numbers that satisfy x is equal to square root of y square minus 1 by 16 plus square root of z square minus 1 by 16. Y is equal to square root of z square minus 1 by 25 plus square root of x square minus 1 by 25. Z is equal to square root of x square minus 1 by 36 plus square root of y square minus 1 by 36. You have to find the values of x comma y comma z. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make the more videos. Thank you. So here really this question I took more time to solve this, but so many solutions are there. I thought this will be somewhat easy. So many solutions we are having, but this is my model. If any easy solutions are there, you can give suggestions. So first of all, what is given? Given x is equal to square root of y square minus 1 by 16 plus square root of z square minus 1 by 16. So first of all, I want to solve this. So here for solving this, first I will do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So x square is equal to y square plus z square minus 1 by 8. So here we'll get 2 by 16. That will get 1 by 8 plus square root of, actually we'll get 2 square root of, that will write as square root of 4 y square z square, taking 2 inside, minus 1 by 4 y square plus z square plus 1 by 64. We are taking 4 inside and doing cancellation. So this is squaring on both sides. So sending the terms to that side, x square minus y square minus z square plus 1 by 8. So sending all the terms without the square that side is equal to square root of 4y square z square minus 1 by 4 x y square z square plus 1 by 64. Now again doing squaring on both sides. 2 times you are doing squaring on both sides. So here you'll get a whole square. Here you'll get whole square. So here a plus b plus c plus d whole square, x to the power of 4 minus 2x square y square minus 2x square z square plus 1 by 4x square plus y to the power of 4 2y square z square minus 1 by 4 y square plus z to the power of 4 minus 1 by 4 z square plus 1 by 64. So if you expand this a plus b plus c plus d whole square, will get this many terms. This is equal to 4y square z square RHS 4y square z square minus 1 by 4 into y square plus z square plus 1 by 64. So here some terms will get cancelled. So here what are the terms we are getting cancelled here? 1 by 4 y square, 1 by 4 y square and minus 1 by 4 z square minus 1 by 4 z square, 1 by 64, 1 by 64 get cancelled. Okay. Now what is left over here? I am writing according to the power x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4 bracket minus 2 into x square y square plus x square z square plus y square z square. So here 4y square z square is there, here 2y square z square is there, you will get minus. So here you will getting plus y square z square, and what is left over here? Plus 1 by 4 x square is equal to 0. So this we are getting 1 by 4 x square. Similarly, you can write the remaining two, x to the power of 4, y to the power of 4, z to the power of 4 minus 2x square y square plus 2x square z square plus y square z square plus 4 by 25 y square is equal to 0. Next, the next one you will get x to the power of 4, y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4 minus 2 into x square y square x square z square plus y square z square plus 1 by 9 z square equal to 0. So you are getting these three values. So if you observe this, here, first two terms are same. This term and this term is same in all the three. Only these three are different. This one and this one and this one are different. So from this you can conclude that 1 by 4 x square is equal to 4 by 25 y square is equal to 1 by 9 z square. From this you can write 1 by 2 x is equal to 1 by 2 x is equal to 2 by 5 y is equal to 1 by 3 z. So from this I want to write x value in terms of y. X value is 4y by 5 and z value in terms of y 6y by 5. X value 4y by 5, z value is 6y by 5. Now replace these values, replace in second one now. We are replacing in second one. So what is the second equation we are having here? So this is the second one now. X to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4 is equal to 2x square y square 2x square z square y square z square plus minus 4 by 25 y square. So in this we are replacing the value of x and z. So if you replace the values of x and z here, so here what will get 4y by 5 whole to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus 6y by 5 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 2 into 4y by 5 whole square into y square plus 2 into 4y by 5 whole square into 6y by 5 whole square plus 2 into y square into z value 6y by 5 whole square minus 4 by 25 y square. So here we are getting LCM 625. So this one will get 256 y to the power of 4, 256 y to the power of 4. Second one 625 y to the power of 4. Here we'll get 1296 y to the power of 4 is equal to, here also we are taking LCM 625. So this one will get 800 y to the power of 4. The second one will get 1152. 1152 1152 y to the power of 4 plus 1800 y to the power of 4 minus 100 y square. So if you solve this, here you'll get 1575 y to the power of 4 is equal to 100 y square. So y square is equal to 25 table 4 by 63y. y square is equal to, okay now, y square is equal to 4 by 63. Y cannot be 0. So y is equal to square root of 4 by 63, 2 by 3 root 7. So in the same way, x value is 4 into 2 cube root of 3 root 7 by 5. So the value of x is 8 15 root 7. In the same way, z value is 6 into 2 by 3 root 7 by 5. So it will go 2 times. So here 4 by 5 root 7. So therefore x is equal to 8 by 15 root 7, y is equal to 4 by 5 root 7, sorry, 2 by 3 root 7, z is equal to 4 by 5 root 7. So I hope you understood the problem. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.